The 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum Mop RV750 offers a versatile cleaning solution with its powerful suction and intelligent mopping capabilities, making it suitable for various hard floors. Its compatibility with the Tuya Smart app and Google Assistant ensures easy scheduling and control through voice commands, catering to both tech-savvy users and beginners. The advanced obstacle avoidance system and slim design enable it to navigate around furniture and into tight spaces, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. With multiple cleaning modes, including a zigzag pattern for maximum area coverage, this device enhances cleaning efficiency and minimizes missed spots. The robot vacuum's long runtime of up to 100 minutes and automatic self-charging feature allow for uninterrupted cleaning sessions across large areas. Designed with a non-rolling brush and operating at a low noise level, it is an excellent choice for households with pets and young children.